There are many ways to earn extra cash in today's world. The world has gotten to a point where you cannot survive on everything if you do not actually have multiple sources of income. This has forced people to devise separate ways to earn a passive income different from their salary. There are several ways you can do this, such as completing online surveys, watching ads, and even watching YouTube videos like this one. However, I am here to show you how you can make a passive income without any prior experience. All you need to do is watch through this tutorial, and you will be good to go. Want to know more? Then stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will look at ways to earn money by doing online clicks. Before we start, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to earn some extra cash. And with that, let's make money with a few clicks. One of the ways that you can make some extra cash is through a few clicks. But how is that? Well, this is with the help of a platform known as Sepia Lead. It is an easy-to-use platform for beginners, and I will take you through a step-by-step process on how to go about it. Before we start, it is essential to note that you can use Sepia Lead to do your CPM marketing and make some extra money online. Basically, CPA stands for cost per action, which means that you can make some money for every step that is completed by someone else. So in this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of how you can start using Sepia Lead. You will first go to their website by just searching for Sepia Lead, then clicking on their website. Once you are here, go ahead and click on the sign up button, which can be found in the top right corner. And once you do that, it will redirect you to yet another page where you can sign up. There are various online options, such as Facebook, Google, or regular sign up. I personally recommend the standard account, so just scroll down and fill in the details. You will start with your first and last name, and then confirm that all the other details are filled in correctly. Once everything is okay, go ahead and click the submit button. Once done, you will be taken to a page with all the agreements. They are lengthy, so you must scroll down to the very bottom of the page, check the I agree box, and click on the submit button. By doing this, you will have successfully created your account, and it will be ready to use right away. Now I want you to head over to the dashboard, where you will be redirected after a successful registration. So far, you can see that the Sepia Lead account reads $0 since we have just created our history. But now the central part of this video is making money with this platform. So where to go next? Right on the dashboard, you will find some offers listed here. And if you scroll down this list, you will see a listing of devices. This indicates the device on which the task is supposed to be done, so that you can earn. Moreover, a list of countries and state which country the task is supposed to be done in. There is also how much money you can earn per action completed. On the left side, you will see offers, and if you click on them, it will take you to a page where you will find an entire list of actions to be done. If you scroll down, you will notice many activities for various devices and countries. However, you can utilize this filter option here to select specific countries. For example, this first one here is for this country. You can choose whatever country you want the action to be done in, but to make it more diverse, it is better just to select all countries. Next are the various offer types, including in mail and surveys, pin submits, mobile trials, or purchases. I do not recommend the last option here, because this conversion is pretty low. Not only that, but convincing someone to take this action is pretty hard. Therefore, I would recommend that you go with email submissions and surveys, since these are the easiest to go with. You can now scroll down, and you will see a very long list of these actions that need to be completed. You can see the offer name here as well as the device. The device can vary from time to time, depending on the offer. Sometimes you will find an Android, while other times you will find an iOS. This is strict because if the device for that specific action was Android, but someone completes it on iOS, you would not get paid. For you to be paid, someone must complete it on the specific device listed there. However, when it says all devices, you will get paid no matter what device you complete it on. For example, find one from the US like this one, and if someone from the US completes this task, you will get this much money listed right next to the country of the specific action. You can get unlimited conversions if you have a capped offer. For example, you may only be able to convert 10 people daily. After that, you will not get paid. As you scroll down, you will find all sorts of offers on this list with different names, surveys, countries, and even payouts. To get the most payouts, I would recommend you filter the offers to the US, because they pay the most. Once you filter to the US and start scrolling down, you will start seeing more significant figures than before. Now that you have the list here, you can select whichever one you feel is right for you. If you want to learn more about it, you can click on it and a pop-up will appear. You can read more about the offer and get the affiliate link here. This is the link that you are going to start promoting with, and so anytime someone clicks on this link and completes the action, you will get paid. For example, if you are from the USA, you will get paid this much money, as you can see the payout here. If you scroll down, you will find more information about the recent offer, their histories, and all that good stuff. There is also some media and some pictures. This is where you will find all the information concerning this offer. For example, if I were to go with this specific one, the conversions would only count if they were from the US. However, it does not matter on what devices it is completed on, whether it is Android or iOS. For example, this one converts once you reach a certain age. You can see that some of them have restrictions on age, whether they have to register and so on. There is another feature known as landing pages. You can find this on the menu on the left. This is quite interesting, because these are pre-made pages or templates which are created for you, and you must pick the one that has caught your attention. Therefore, once someone clicks on the provided link, they are taken to a different page, such as this one, and you get paid once they complete an action. This is the simplest way to get your very own landing page. This has got to be the easiest way to earn quick money with just a few clicks. All you need is your mouse and laptop and you are good to go. As you proceed with this, you will devise creative ways to make even more money in the easiest way possible. There is also a diverse range of offers, so you can pick the one you feel most comfortable with. Also, check out other categories, because you might find something that interests you or pays more than the rest. And that is just the basics of using CPA Leap to earn fast online money. Feel free to let us know what you think about it. There are many other websites and applications that you will find useful and earn a lot through them. We will look at many of them in our future videos. And that's all for today, guys. Which part of the video did you find the most interesting? Feel free to let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Until next time.